So there are dedicated web design agencies out there, and they can design a website for you. But as soon as you say, but also can you assist me with regards to Google Ads and social media and can you do some coding and some graphic design and brand development and put together a complete social marketing strategy? No, they can't. They're a dedicated web design agency, and generally there's one or two people in that company and they are web designers. That is it. We are a little bit different. We've got a dedicated web design team of around about 6 designers. We've got a dedicated website maintenance team of around about 6 guys that just focus, and girls, that focus on maintaining your website. We've got a graphic design department, an SEO department, a Google Ads department, a social media department. We've got a digital marketing strategy department. And we've got all these dedicated people that can assist you in not only designing your website, but actually getting you the business and getting you the reach and exposure that your website deserves. So yes, we're certainly not a dedicated web design company. Love web design. It's our passion. We love it. It is our first go-to, but we are more than just a web design company. So if you are going to design a website, make sure that the agency that you approach will be able to fulfill your full digital marketing strategy, not only the web design part.